Hello, and welcome to science class. Today we are learning about the scientific method. The first step of the scientific method is to ask a question. Now, a question is very, very important. You can't just choose random questions. You have to be specific about what question you choose. For example, a question must be testable. You have to actually be able to do an experiment on the question you are choosing. Secondly, the question must be measurable. I have to be able to gather data and look at it and measure that data. So for example, a good question would be, which brand of sunscreen is most effective? So I would put both brands on, test them out. Which one worked the best? A bad question would be, which brand of sunscreen has the highest SPF? Hello? You look at the bottle. It tells you 70 and 50. It's a little backwards. Not a good question. Another good question. Does coffee stain your teeth? Testable. I can give coffee to different people and look at their teeth. Or I can use an egg to represent the teeth. Very good question. And I can measure it. Bad question. What is the meaning of life? Can I test that? I can ask people questions, but that's based more on opinion. It's not very measurable. I can't collect data that will prove what the meaning of life is. It's based on opinion and belief. Good question for religion class, but not for scientific method. Another good question. Does soda pop affect plant growth? Good question. I can test it out. I can give one plant soda and one plant water. Compare the results. Good question. Bad questions. Who has the stinkiest feet in the whole wide world? Okay, measurable, yes, but is it realistic? Can I actually go to all the people in the whole world and smell their stinky feet? No, not a good question. So you see, choosing questions is very important. It must be measurable. I need to be able to collect data on it and look at the data and find results. And it must be testable. I must be able to do an experiment on it. So, when you are choosing your questions, choose very wisely. Thank you and goodbye.